Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at James Monroe Elementary School, home of the Bears, in Madera, California. My third visit to their campus. Just another special day. We kept going in the series for the student program, so this is the third topic, positivity, be your best self. Talking about giving our greatest effort and always really trying to do our personal best, which is part of their acronym for PAUSE. You see it right here. And really when we're talking about this, it's so important that we strive every day to give it our all and know that true excellence isn't just, always having to be the best, get first place, get 100%, win the race. It's just about doing your best, And if we give our effort, usually 8, 9 times out of 10 times out of 10, we're gonna get the results that we want, right? If we plant those positive thoughts in our mind and in our heart, which are gonna believe whatever we tell it, hopefully we're telling it something positive, and we really can start to believe in ourselves, kind of shift that mentality, that vision, to make sure that we're doing something that's very positive, having that positive attitude with everyone in our lives and everywhere in our lives. And I think the students really got that. Had a lot of pin drop moments through the positive music, some of the motivational videos. We also had the heartfelt stories that are always a part of my topics, and a lot of students came up to me afterwards and shared their heart with me. And that's always really inspiring to know that, whether it was a personal anecdote that I shared, that it related to something in their life and that they could take some tangible results. And a couple of people that just said, what you said really touched my heart. It really made me feel a lot better about myself, because there's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them matter, right? What matters is what we believe, that we're all true miracles. Like I do this in all my assemblies. The M with all of us have this with the lines on our hand, at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W, it's for worthy, right? That we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, because a lot of students that I've spoken to in the past haven't always felt that way. And one of the stories I shared today was actually about my past, that I had a very bad stuttering problem growing up in elementary school. And so there was a lot of times I didn't feel that I was a miracle. But I finally had people that believed in me, got some mentors, found hip hop, so now my brain and mouth were going to the same speed. And all that combined had really helped me, to understand that I could do anything, that I put my mind to. And for me to have that realization, like some of these students today, I think that's huge, right? I think it's really huge to know that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting or giving up, right? As long as we keep going, keep trying, that's what truly, truly matters. And that's why I wear the shirt too for this particular topic. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if we're feeling down, sad, or heads down, it says keep your head up, right? A reminder to always think positive no matter what. So that was the student side. I also had a parent session, again, with students as well that attended, all here in the multi-purpose room, the cafeteria. And that topic was leadership, passion to purpose, right? That we are really trying to step into knowing that even at a young age, we can start using our gifts, our talents, our abilities to help others, right? That we can make our passion people first, things second, and our purpose is starting to help them, right? In whatever way we can. And, that was another topic that's very close to my heart, because it's so important that we're doing things for the right reasons, not just for the trophies, not just for the accolades or the awards, those fade, but to know that we can always really hopefully try to, give our greatest efforts and, understand that true character is what counts, right? That we're doing the right thing, even when no one's watching, even when no one's looking, and always, again, giving it our all, because this world needs a lot more positive people, more positive leadership, and the students really took that home as well as the adults. So thanks for touching my heart. It's another beautiful day here at Monroe. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year. And make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.